Hey folks, it's Corey with Alien Laser Cleaning, and today I want to kind of go over what many people have been asking me about deep rust and how our machine cleans it. And we have several style machines, but today I want to talk to you about the double wobble head that we have. Um, and it's gonna be kind of hard to see it because the only way for you guys to actually see the actual laser is for me to point it at something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the camera. It's going to be kind of wobbly, but you'll have to forgive me for that. But what's important, as you see, is how the laser works. So here we go, and then I'm actually going to point it to some stuff that I'm going to be cleaning here in a minute. So see, you can't even see it in the camera. See if it picks it up. See, it won't even pick up the spectrum. You can't even see it because of the spectrum of the laser does not allow you to see the light. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to clean these two items out here, okay? This one right here is about 100 years old, okay? It's been sitting out in the field. It goes to a plow unit. It's been sitting out in the field, according to the neighbor, for about 40 years. Was stuck in the mud. You can see I've already started cleaning it here. And this is an old counterweight for the plow that he also had. It weighs about 50 pounds. And I just wanted to show you guys that this stuff is real. It's not fake. You can see that there's stuff on it there, right? It's not fake. Okay, same thing with this over here. It's actual rust. Okay, so let me set this camera up, and we're going to hit this one first. And I want to make sure, let me back up here a little bit. Make sure you guys have a good view. Yep, you do. And I'm just going to continue cleaning. What you're going to see first is our little double wobble. And then I'm going to come back with the straight laser and show you the difference. Here we go. Give you guys a better angle here. Okay, there's that one. Here's this one. Huh. I didn't even know that said standard. Wow. Alright, so you can see this is a little bit more gentle, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into a straight line mode so that the pattern cleans more deeply. So give me a second. Alright, so let's do this one first, right here, so you can see it real good. Back the camera up just a little bit. Don't want to damage my camera. Alright, here we go.
All right, you can see how the wobble is more protective. It just gets the surface versus the straight line digs down into it and gets all the stuff out of the pitting. So if this wasn't 100 years old, I wouldn't care. I'd probably use the straight line because we're just trying to get the rust off. If it was something that needed to be more protected, then I would use this double wobble, because obviously they would come back and they would paint it, whereas if they didn't care, then I would use the straight line. I personally don't like the line effects that it leaves. You also have to go very, very slow, just like you would here on this one right here. See, it leaves the lines because you're stuck with human behavior on if I have a steady hand or not. And I'm 53 years old. I'm not saying I'm the oldest, but I don't have that great of a steady hand. And so that's why it leaves the lines in there. Okay guys, sorry I had to interrupt the end of this video because I left out something that was really, really important. I wanted to make sure you guys understood that where the straight line is what typical laser companies do. They only show that straight line, and it cuts really, really deep into the substrate. The substrate is the steel, the aluminum, the cast iron, the concrete, you know, all kinds of stuff, truck beds and stuff like that. And it cuts away at the metal because all they want to do is get it cleaned super, super fast. And they're actually destroying whatever it is you're having them clean. We don't do that. That's why I showed you the double wobble. We can effectively make it work better, but we use a gentle motion to get rid of the rust, the paint, the mold, the mildew, the calcium buildup. So I just wanted to interject that real quick so you guys that understood the difference of what I was trying to show you, and hopefully this helps. If you have any needs or any questions about getting rid of rust, getting rid of paint, if you're restoring a car, if you have fire damage to your home, yes, we can clean the smoke, the soot off of your sheetrock. We can clean that off of your ceiling, off of your wood beams, off of your bricks, and not cause any damage whatsoever to any of that stuff. We can actually remove that for you without having to tear it all out and getting a damage control company to come in there and do it. We can do it quicker, faster. We leave no mess. We use no chemicals. We use no water. Okay? That's why laser cleaning is so important now, because it outdoes every other company out there. Okay? Anyway, my name's Corey. Thank you for watching the video to the end, and I hope you give us a call. Alien Laser Cleaning, alienlasercleaning.com, 254-300-6075. We'll talk to you soon.